So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a video. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe so we can do our video. Anyways, we're going to be checking out the new fall update that you guys probably didn't see because you guys are so bad at this game. Like, get better. So anyways, let's do this. So you're going to have to follow me, and then there's going to be some stuff up there. Now, that stuff up there is what we don't talk about. What we're talking about first is cosmetics. So let's get to it. No! Okay, now we can go. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, there's this little thing, but we're gonna equip everything. So I can show you what this all is. Yep. So, oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, but so yeah. Nah, that was too juicy. That's so juicy. Xavier. So anyways, that was our cosmetics. Now we're gonna go check out the rest. So yeah. Dun. Nah. Stupid. Nah. Okay, boys. We have Duck the Bug. I have a really cool thing to show you. Boys, don't ask about that. I don't know how Duck the Bug's over there. Doug the Bug must be yawning, but that's okay, Doug Moggs. I'm so stupid. Doug Moggs, I don't know what that is, dude. I was being jissy. Anyways. And now you're gonna follow me so we can go in our maze. Shh. The maze is really scary, boys, so we're not gonna go in here. But before we do something else, I have to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to walk on water, run on water. Without mods, this tutorial, no mods. You don't need mods to do this, so I do not need to use some of these because these are too juicy. So I don't have to use any of this. So yeah, let's just do this. Sushi spell. So you don't have to have mods. I do, but you don't have to have mods. So if you don't have mods, that's okay. Now follow me, boys. Not now I'm gonna make you in person. Dun. Okay. You guys ready for this? I'm about to do the most craziest, insane movement. Watch this, boys. Oh, yeah, shh. Oh, you guys, don't ask about how I did that. That was just because it was being Jesse. That was because it was being Jesse. But if it's Jesse, then you got mad. So I was mad. But anyways, I'm on a red for you said so much. Now, I'll show you first person. Ready? That's what I. This is what you see. Now time for the GC tutorial. Ready? Let's do this. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your hands above the water like this. Now it's not just this, cause see how that's not working? Yeah, and you don't want to do this, cause you'll end up like this. So, you want to keep your hands in kind of a curved way. Wherever it's pointing is where you're gonna go. And you're gonna put force, and you're gonna do it fast. And if you do it right, it's gonna look like this. So, basically, this is what third person looks like. Show you every type of view that you can have. And next is going to be if a lava knows how to do it, perspective. So this is what it should look like. Ready for this? Lava's chasing me down. You guys are the lava. And then the lava will attack me. Because I felt it. Yeah. So tiring. Anyways. And then our last perspective. No, this is second to last. The lava didn't know how to do it. And then there's me. It's really tiring, but you'll get the hang of it. What? No. So you'll get the hang of it. It's really tiring. It's actually one of the most tiring things I've ever done in G-Tag. Running in water. It's actually really hard, so I do not want to do that again. Make sure you guys like it, subscribe, and this is going to be my last water run. Okay, this is the angle you're going to want to put it like this. Wherever your hands are pointing is where you're going to go. You're going to put your hands like this. You're going to do this fast and forcefully. Whee! Now, boys, I'm gonna get off. So, so I gotta post this. Um, so make sure you guys. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Comment down below what video I should do. Like maybe make a better tutorial. Because I know a way that would make it easier for you to learn. Or just don't comment anything. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. So I don't get banned again on this account. Banned for 8 weeks. So, peace out.